Hello everyone! By the way, Leslie here, your trusted salesperson. Tara, samahan niyo ako ngayon, silipin natin si Hana Unit. Located ito at Minami Residences, Barangay Santiago, Daniel Trias, Cavite. Napaka-accessible ito dahil along Arnaldo Highway lang ito. At alam niyo ba, malapit lang ito sa itatayong SM General Trias? 4 to 5 minutes away lang ito. At 3 to 4 minutes away naman ito sa All Home General Trias, Cavite. Kaya hindi mo na kailangan pa lumayo para maghanap ng mall. Si Hana Unit din ay may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 2 provisions for car garage, with a floor area of 54 square meter and lot area of 80 square meter. Kaya naman napaka-spacious ng unit na ito. Mapapasayo lang ito sa halagang 25,000 reservation fee. Available kami through bank financing and in-house financing. Sa mga kababayan nating OFW or locally employed and business owner are welcome na welcome kayo dito. For more details and site viewing, you may comment below or direct message me for assistance. Thank you and see you here. Bye-bye!